Hey guys, before we start, sit in the kneeling position and focus on your breath for a while. First asana is Adho Mukha, also known as downward dog pose. Stand on all fours with your knees and palms on the yoga mat. Rise on your feet and move your legs back to form an V shape with your body. Keep your knees and arms straight and your abdomen pushed inward. Keep your head down. Breathe in and out. Stay in this position for 30 seconds or as long as you feel comfortable. Repeat this asana 2-3 times in the beginning, then take it up to more gradually. To release the pose, bend your knees to the floor with an exhalation, then repeat the same. Benefits are it improves the blood flow into the head, regenerating the scalp and hair follicles. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which helps in strengthening hair follicles and also assist in hair growth. This is the most beneficial yoga pose for back, head, sinus, and can help with stress, depression, and insomnia. Relax yourself back to the kneeling position. Next asana is Sasangasana, also known as rabbit pose. Inhale, while exhaling, bend your head down forward, let your head touch the floor and stand on your knees on the mat. Keeping your arms straight, try and hold your heels. Repeat this asana 2-3 times in the beginning. Stay in this yoga pose for 30 seconds before releasing it. Relax in child pose for a few seconds, then repeat the same. Benefits are practicing this yoga pose for 2 minutes every day can give you healthier and stronger hair. This is a beneficial yoga pose for hair regrowth. It stabilizes hormones, regulates blood flow to the scalp, and fixes any imbalance in the thyroid gland which causes hair loss. Relax for a few seconds and back to the initial position. Next asana is Savangasana, also known as shoulder stand. To do this asana, lie down on the yoga mat facing upwards and hands onto either side of your body. Inhale and raise your legs and back up straight. Support your back with your hands and keep your butt straight and up. Let your body rest on your shoulders and keep your neck straight. Repeat this asana 2-3 times to start with, then take it up to more after practice. Hold the position for 30 seconds or as long as you're comfortable and then release. Relax for a few breaths and then repeat the same. Benefits are this pose helps in nourishing hair by flowing blood to the head, thus hydrating the scalp and giving you luscious hair. It prevents hair fall, hair loss, and also helps in regrowth of hair. This pose has long effects on hair and can turn your thin and dry hair into healthy looking and flawless. Extremely good for thyroid which affect hair fall. This pose is one of the best remedies for hair growth. Release and back to the Shavasana and relax for 5 to 10 seconds before we move to next asana. Next asana is Uttanasana, also known as forward bend pose. To start with, stand up straight with your legs close to each other. Inhale, lift your arm up and while exhaling, bend forward, bring your hands down to the back of your ankles and hold. Or place your palms on the mat. Keep your head and your eyes down and your neck in a relaxed position. To release the pose, rise up while exhaling and then repeat the same. Repeat this asana 2-3 times in the beginning. Benefits are it relaxes muscles and flows the blood and oxygen to the head and scalp, which enables the hair follicles to grow long and strong. It improves the texture and quality of your hair and make it smoother and shinier. It's very beneficial to stop hair fall and also help in hair growth. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, so keep practicing and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.